beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here, and welcome into Sugar Fingers. Yes, y'all, we're getting ready to do a giveaway over here. So if you would, I'm going to go ahead and add in the video where these goodies actually came from. It's Double Dip, and I will have the full video that will give you me actually demoing these items. What you'll see is their actual little kit that they had, which was their spring dip powder nail kit, and I did this video a while back. So these items may possibly still be on the website. I'm not sure. I'm not going to even check right now, but all I know is it's still good. I'm going to give it away. Of course, I did use some of the items, so I have replaced a couple of items in here, like the little buffers that came in there. You can see I got some blue ones, and on the video you may see orange color or something like that. And I'm also adding in 4 additional dip powders that was not in here, and 2 other items that's going to be here that was not in this particular bag here. But anyway, make sure you check out the video at the end. And what I need for you to do, if you want to go ahead and win this, make sure you're subscribed here to the channel. Turn on your bell notification. Please make sure you do that. And if you would, just simply make a comment to say that you want the kit or something to that nature. Just leave me a nice comment. That's all. Just leave a nice comment, and I will in turn check out the comments and we'll do a drawing here. And the last day you can actually enter will be, let's give it a good date. Let me get here to my calendar for a second. Take a look at everything, y'all. Okay, the last day that you can enter, we're going to put it as June 18th. That's Saturday, June 18th. So good luck to everybody. And again, I'll have all of the instructions in the description box as well. So check it out, and good luck to the winners. I'll see y'all on the next one. And remember to keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. Bye now. Guess what we have? Another nail tutorial. Can I really call it a nail tutorial when I have no clue what I'm doing? But guess what I got? I got this amazing set from Double Dip. Yes, this is the dip powder set, and it's full of amazing spring colors. And that's what I did my nails with. So let's go through each of the items and let me share with you exactly what I have in this kit, so that you too can, if you wish, order yours and do some wonderful dip powder nails. So this is the Double Dip Spring Dip Powder Nail Kit. It contains 7 pastel colors, and it's in this cute holographic bag. I love this plastic holograph. Of course, it includes the instructions as well as a dust brush, and it also has the name of Double Dip on it right here. Cute little pink handle. And in here you have 6 pastel colors, but you also get a bonus. I'm just going to tear into this and see what colors I have real quickly and dust these off because they're a little bit dusty. Of course, they're dip powder, so you know how that goes. We're going to take all of these out of the plastic and clean them up. And I'm also going to spread everything out so that you can see it. And that is the 7th bonus color. And this is all of the liquid in here, the kit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Now let's open this up, and we have, our little bonus essential bag here with goodies inside, and our dip powder liquids that are included here. Yes, you get all of the necessities right here in this all-in-one kit. So you have the 4 liquids that are included. You get the brush cleaner, the activator, the dip base, and the dip top coat. That is what you need to get started, along with this extra little bag of goodies, which will include a nail file, a nail buffer, and also the replacement brushes. Yes, absolutely great. I love this, I do. So let's start off with the dip powders here. This one is a shimmering metallic silver whitish. It is a beautiful color. 1425 Enchanted is that one. Then the next one we have, oh, this one is beautiful. This is a gold. This is DG305, a champagne gold here. And that is, let's check it out, a glittery type of a powder. Wow. Wow, that's beautiful. See that? That's going to look great on the nails. And next up, we have 486 Clear Sky. Okay, that's beautiful. Kind of a lightish bluish color. Yes, is lightish a word? Really. 642 Bunny Nose. Now, I love pinks. Always love pink. Okay, this is a nice blush pink peachy color. And next up, we have 565 Magnolia lavender color. And I'm just taking all of the tops off of here so you can check it out yourself and see what you're getting. Beautiful spring colors. And then we have up next the Clear Base 000, which is what I was missing out of my other kit. I really like to put a base down before I put on the color. And there it is. Wonderful. So we have all of the dip powders. And the next one, okay, one more. 559, which is emerald. Beautiful, beautiful. A light green shade here. So then, do we have more? Oh my goodness, I missed one? No, this is it. We're going to go ahead and get started, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and start off as normal, like we always do. I'm going to start off first putting the bond on my natural nail. That's in the white top bottle. And next up, I'm going to go ahead and open up my clear base. I'll be putting that powder on first. So I've already prepped my nails and put on my nail tips already. I'm just going to put a paper towel under here and start off, of course, with putting on the red cap bottle, which is the base coat. And I'll put that right on that edge where my natural nail and the tip meets up, so I can go ahead and smooth that section of my nail out and also build a strong apex to keep the nails intact. So I'm going to put the clear base powder on all of the nails like so. Okay, I need to smooth it out just a little bit more. So what I'm going to do next is brush off the excess powder and go ahead and reapply the base and the clear powder in order to make sure I have a smooth out nail without the lumps and bumps as best I can. Y'all know I'm not a professional at this. I just simply love doing my own nails, what I've been doing forever, but now I've just pretty much grown and enhanced my techniques a little bit more with some of the newer products that's come out. So I'm just going to continue this process and finish up putting on the clear base. All right, just dusting away, and then I just wiped off, and then I use my buffer just to buff them down, and I'm getting ready to apply the color now. So I'm just taking that pink shade that I had earlier, pinky peachy shade. That'll be my top color, and I'll add a little design after that. So let me speed through this process and I'll be back to you. So now I'm applying a coat of the activator to the entire nail surface, and then I'll let this air dry for about 30 seconds and I'll buff the nail and file it to my desired shape. If for any reason the surface of it, I'm going to do it anyway, but you really do need to make sure you go ahead and put on some more activator after buffing. You just want to make sure that just in case some of it lifted, you want to just make sure you put some more on there to harden it up so it will stay intact. So next up, I'm just going to wipe off my nails with a little alcohol on a paper towel. And now I'm going to try to do something fancy. Yes, I am. I'll be using on the tip of my pinky nail, number 586, the clear sky blue shade. And see what happens. I just put a little bit base coat on my nails on the tip. And then I'm also going to do the same on my ring finger, just taking each of the extra colors and putting that on the tip, using all of them. The champagne gold on my ring finger. I also use that lavender purple shade, which is called magnolia, on my middle finger. And then on my pointing finger, index finger, I used I'm not even sure what shade it was. I think it was the clear sky. No. It was the green shade. It was the emerald green shade. But I'm thinking that's what I put on there. And on my thumb, I utilized the enchanted shimmery color. So now that I'm finished with that, I'm just going to buff them down just a little bit more, just to make sure they're smooth and all together. Wipe them down with some alcohol before I even apply the top coat on there. So I'll be finishing up that in just a moment here. So let's get this rolling and see where we end up at. So right now I'm just applying the first coat of the dip top coat to the entire surface of the nail, and then I'll let it air dry for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then I will apply a second coat of the dip top coat and let it dry for about 30 to 60 seconds. Now this was not part of this kit. However, I, of course, had this from my previous dip powder set that I did, and I'm using the oil from Double Dip. Absolutely. Why not keep it in the family, baby? So guess what? The nails are done and they are so cute. I think they're cute. I've got to perfect my skills, but honey, these are going to get rocked for a couple of weeks. You know what I'm saying? Loving the look of these spring beautiful nails. Spring 2020 is here, and you can get this kit right on Double Dip. The link is below, along with a 10% discount. Just use Sugar10 and get your spring dip powder nail kit. And that is it, beautiful babes. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please, if you did, drop a like on it. Drop me some hands down in the comments. Yes. And listen, I want you to say in the comments, spring is here. Definitely, definitely. Based upon this beautiful kit and this cute little bag it came in. Isn't that adorable? You see me at the mall with this, don't say nothing. Y'all, this is so nice. I really do appreciate it. Double Dip, thank you so much for sending me these goodies to share with my viewers and let them know what y'all got going on. And you never know, beautiful babes, some of these things may be in a giveaway, so stay tuned right here on Sugar Fingers. If you have not subscribed, it's a great time to do that. We're going to be doing the spring giveaways. The Sweet Angel Beauty bag is coming back, so if you want some of that good stuff, okay, you need to subscribe and hit that little bell so you'll be in the know. I am out of here, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see y'all on the next one. And please do me one more favor. Keep those hands looking gorgeous. Yes.